In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the compatibility report in PowerPoint. This is an essential skill to ensure your presentations are accessible to various audiences, especially if you're using different versions of PowerPoint. We'll guide you through this step-by-step process to identify any potential compatibility issues in just a few simple moments. Start by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. If you've already got a presentation in mind, go ahead and open that file. Alternatively, you can create a new presentation. Feel free to add your photos, tables, and other content as you normally would. This is your sandbox, so explore freely while you build your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your content, navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. This is your gateway to accessing various back-end features of PowerPoint, including our ultimate destination, the compatibility report. Click the Info option that appears in the left-hand menu. You'll notice this menu offers a range of options designed to help you manage your presentation's data and settings. It's a powerful toolbox at your disposal. Next, look at the center pane of the window, where you will see a section called Inspect Presentation. Here, you'll find a button labeled Check for Issues. Go ahead and click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu appear. From the list of options, select Check Compatibility. By doing this, you're instructing PowerPoint to analyze your presentation for any features or elements that may not be supported in earlier versions of PowerPoint. This is a great way to ensure that anyone opening your file can view it as intended. Once you click on Check Compatibility, the report will appear in a new window. This report is a crucial tool as it will summarize any potential problems, detailing what features are incompatible and how many times they occur throughout your presentation. It is your roadmap to ensuring your presentation is as universally accessible as possible. For each issue listed, you'll often find a help link that provides additional information on the problem and even possible solutions. This is particularly useful if you come across issues that are unfamiliar to you. In some cases, PowerPoint offers a Fix button next to the issue. Clicking this can automatically correct the problem, making your life a little easier. However, be aware that not all issues come with an automatic fix. For those, you may need to manually adjust your presentation to align it better with older versions. By following these steps, you now know how to check and address any compatibility issues in your PowerPoint presentations. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, this skill ensures your audience gets to see your presentation just as you intended. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using PowerPoint effectively.